Hi, I'm Lucy Ellis, Senior Editor at Scrip, and I'm here at BioEurope Spring in Amsterdam, and I'm joined by Secarna's Jonas Renz, who's the Managing Director of the company. So thanks for joining me today.
Hi, Lucy.
The company was founded 3 years ago now,
Yep.
So I wondered if you could start talking a bit more about the unmet needs you're looking to address and what the technology is that you're developing.
So Secarna is one of 3 global antisense companies that is really translating third-generation chemistry into highly effective and safe therapeutics. And based on this platform technology that we call LNA+, we now have over 15 projects in our pipeline in various indications, including immuno-oncology, immunology, nephrology, antiviral applications, ophthalmology. So really quite a broad portfolio of assets that we're developing.
And what's the most advanced within that space?
Our overall strategy is to partner assets early. So our most advanced asset is one which has achieved proof of principle or proof of concept in relevant animal models. And we have over 10 collaborations with leading academic groups and actually entered into 2 commercial partnerships in the last 6 months.
And are you still seeking partners now? Who
Yes,
are you looking for?
exactly.
What kind of business are they?
Yeah, so we're talking to large and small biopharmaceutical companies either for our in-house assets, or what we've also done in the past is actually allowed them to do platform deals with us where they actually propose targets to us and we then furnish them with the molecules for their internal development program.
And you said you're one of 3 worldwide, so what's different about you compared to the others?
Yeah, so basically there are 2 big gorillas, if you will, in the field. One is part of Roche, one is Ionis in California. We are using a basic LNA technology, which is also being used by Roche Centaurus, but our platform called LNA Plus allows us to enhance these LNA molecules for better potency and for a lower incidence of safety events.
And how are you currently funded, and when will you next need to look at that cash balance?
Sure, so we've raised $8 million in terms of Series A, or a small seed round, if you will, including some government grant funding, and we're well financed for the foreseeable future, and perhaps next year we might consider embarking on another financing round, depending on what strategy we're pursuing.
And when you're thinking ahead then, looking at the company now and where you want it to be, what's that picture look like? Where are you trying to get to?
Sure, so look, we've been around for now 3 years, and we've basically been operating for over 2 years of those 3 years more in a stealth mode in terms of establishing our technology and really validating some of the proprietary assays and bioinformatics systems that we have. Coming out of stealth mode, within only 6 months, we've already done 2 very nice commercial transactions. So I'm really trying to build on those type of partnerships such that we then have a nice portfolio of partnered assets and also some unpartnered assets which we can then take or think about also taking into further clinical development.
And who are your current partners? What are those deals structured like?
Sure, so we did one with a very large healthcare biopharmaceutical company where we're not allowed to talk about that yet because we agreed that we want to hit a certain milestone in that collaboration before making that public. The second is with a Swedish biotech company called Lipigon, which is a leader in cardiometabolic disorders, which are extremely well suited for this antisense approach due to the natural accumulation of LNA molecules in the liver. And there we're already running some very high impact animal models and it's looking good so far.
And you mentioned before that you're working in various areas such as IO and other things. So how do you get attention in these really busy therapy areas?
Well, I think it's always good data. I think is always the name of the game for small companies, and we try to complement that by working together with leading key opinion leaders in their respective areas. So we have collaborations with leading institutions, cancer institutes in the U.S., in Switzerland, in Germany, and also in other countries, and really getting them excited. Data-driven, science-driven, and is I think the name of the game also in terms of gaining traction within a very busy space, as you rightly pointed out.
And what's the next big milestone then? What should we be looking out for coming up?
Well, I think our aim is to do at least another transaction in this year. That will bring us then to at least 3 commercial transactions. I think that's an incredible validation statement, and that I think will hopefully allow us then to grow and take the company to the next level.
Perfect. Well, it's been really nice to speak to you today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your conference.
Thanks, Lucy. Thanks for your time.